Let's fix the SSL pending error on Shopify. Welcome into this new video text course. I'm going to show you how to verify the double SSL certificate status. So first of all, what you want to do is to start by verifying the status of your double SSL certificate to your Shopify administrator panel. Let's go directly here into Shopify. And once we are in here, what we want to do is to go live directly here into settings. Here into settings, let's focus directly inside the navigation of the domain and check if the SSL certificate is pending and has encountered any errors. We'll click here inside the domains. So as you should see here, we have an actual domain that has already been set up for me. Now, usually, if you have an actual domain that you can purchase directly here into Shopify, you must make sure that there's any pending stuff or has encountered any errors here. It can provide valuable insight into the issue. If you, of course, link to an actual website, an actual domain from another supplier, then what you need to do is to go back into your other domain provider and make sure that the SSL hasn't any issue there. So if you have reviewed your domain configurations to ensure you're correctly set up with Shopify, if you verify that your domain is properly connected to your Shopify store and the DNS settings are configured accurately, then any discrepancies here could trigger the SS pending error. So the next thing to do is to contact directly for Shopify support. So if you're unable to resolve this pending error, don't hesitate to reach out to Shopify support into the upper side. Just close this, go here, and here look out for the help center. The help center can be helping us to figure out what are the main problems, the common problems, common mistakes here inside the Shopify. So I'm going to choose my language, go for the search enter. I'm going to go for S, and here it might be showing me with some recommended articles. For example, the transport layer security, enable secure connections to buying a domain throughout account security, and look out for the magic builder help center. Sometimes it helps, sometimes it doesn't. For example, here, enable the secure connections to troubleshoot issues with domain connected to Shopify. We have already done that. So I'm going to go directly into the support inbox. Now, the support inbox can be helping me to contact them directly, and I can see that I have now added my compliances here. So choose a store you needed help with. Let's see, for example, the first one. For example, the store, the sales, applications, money, gestures, account, and so much more. The next thing that I can totally suggest to you, if you still have an issue, is to renew this certificate. So in some cases, the SSL pending error might be due to an expired certificate. So you wanted to make sure that you are updated with your actual SSL. So after you make the verification, after you renew your SSL certificate, then later on you can now verify the redirects. So ensure that the Shopify store is configured to redirect all the HTTPL traffics. This can be done by enabling the redirect all traffics option into your Shopify administrator panel under the domains here. Let's see, for example, I'm going to go back. I go for connect an existing domain. I choose, for example, koizo.com. I go for next, and usually it's going to be giving me the instructions for making the verification of the actual process. So make sure that everything here has now been entered correctly and you don't have any issues here. So you can add the domain in a very easy way. So you make the test, you make the renewal, you make the content for Shopify, you have checked out your actual information and the connected of the CNAME, the A-rate codes, and all of that. So those are the common mistakes that you can find out here. So the last result that I can give you is to just contact Shopify so they can be helping us to figure out what is the main troubleshoot directly into Shopify, into our store of Shopify. So guys, with that being said, we have now checked the pending error into your Shopify store. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. This was very useful for you. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, guys. Hopefully, once again, this was very helpful for you, and hopefully with all this information, we can also use your brand new video. See you next time.